So right here is the spot that I see fit that our spring onions can be planted. Now always remember that our spring onions can be a single strip like this, but they will spread and become a bunch. So when you plant the spring onions, always apply proper spacing so that they can grow healthy and have proper airflow. So like we did in the previous videos, we have mulch already. Open up a pocket and I'm going to dig like a nice hole here, and we're going to place our spring onion right there, and we cover it. Like that, and we open up another pocket and we plant another one. So I'm sorry for today that I didn't shoot using a tripod, so I'm using a handheld selfie stick. That's why I'm able to get this type of shots. But as an immediate emergency of creating content, this is what we have to do today. So when you're planting your spring onions for pest propelling, make sure you look for an environment that you see fit that your pests or birds or insects can easily target. For me, in the overall garden here, right there it's a tomato, right there it's garlic, and right here is going to be spring onion. So probably right there in the end side there, I will be planting some marigolds. So basically what I'm trying to do is cover up every approach that I think that pests can come through. So in these cases, what I'm doing is companion planting. Now my garden is not actually that big, but you will see in future the results. For now, we are just starting up, and obviously starting is the hardest. When you start something from scratch, it is the hardest. In this world, nothing ever comes easy. So please never mind me choosing like the spring onions that I take. I just pick them because I like decorations, especially for the video's sake. So good people, once again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This helps YouTube suggest my videos to other people. so that they can see what you are all seeing. Now, I quite well enjoy spring onion more than I enjoy eating bulbous onions, because if your spring onions grow healthy, you can harvest them forever. That's the advantage that I like about spring onions. The harvesting periods, they last much longer, unlike bulbous onions. Now imagine this single onion right here can produce 10 times what it has given us. After it has produced this 10 times, you can either choose to harvest half, and the half that is left, you can spread it across your garden, and it will generate more spring onions. So that's the advantage side of spring onions. I'm not criticizing bulbous onions, but as a small scale gardener, you have to plant spring onions because you will harvest them for a longer period. Now, if you are having like a larger scale of a garden, you need to, of course, plant your bulbous onions because you have enough space. So for some of us, we don't have that enough space. So that's why we choose to plant spring onions. In most cases, people who plant bulbous onions are people who have farms. That's an advantage side of it, because onions are actually a cash crop. If you know what a cash crop is, it's a crop that is utilized for selling. I know that you can also sell other vegetables, but cash crops in most cases are vegetables that are almost everywhere and are in demand. So good people, if you'd like to see more of me, subscribe to that YouTube channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can grow even more. Now, as you can see the progress so far, it means everything is in order. Now, I'm actually thankful for the person who has given me this spring onion right here. I'm not gonna mention the person's name for the sake of privacy, but I'm thankful because without the person, I would have to go back and buy seeds and start my seedlings from scratch, which it's not a bad thing to do, to start your seedlings from scratch, but it can sometimes be hard because right now the season is going to be winter, so starting your seedlings becomes a tough match. So an advantage of growing your own vegetables is that you are learning also, and you're getting to eat for free. Now you also eat from what you sowed or what you have planted. That's an advantage side of it. Of course, no one can take that knowledge away from you because you have earned it. Now right here I'm left with 3 onions for this spot, and I will finish up planting. Please guys, please good people, please evergreen us, like and subscribe on the boys YouTube channel. And you have about $1, please give me some little bit of donations if you can, so that the boy can also buy seeds, and so that I can also try to help feed the community if I can. And if you can see right here, the soil is wet because the previous 2 or 3 days we've had rain. That's an advantage side of having mulch on your garden, because it also prevents the soil from drying up too quickly.